Hey everyone! If you're dealing with ringworm, I know exactly how frustrating and uncomfortable it can be. But the good news is that it's treatable, and today, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to get rid of it fast, safely, and effectively. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! The first step in getting rid of ringworm is keeping the affected area clean. You want to wash the skin with soap and water, preferably using an antibacterial soap. This will remove any surface fungus and bacteria. Make sure to use a separate towel to dry the infected area, and don't reuse it until it's washed. This is important to avoid spreading the fungus to other parts of your body or to other people. Dry the area completely, as fungi love moist environments. Next, you'll need an antifungal cream. The good news is you don't need a prescription. You can find creams containing clotrimazole or miconazole at any pharmacy. These ingredients are proven to work in killing the fungus. Studies, including those by reputable sources like the Mayo Clinic, have shown that these over-the-counter creams are effective when applied consistently. Apply a thin layer of the cream directly to the affected area and make sure to rub it in gently. Do this twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Avoid moisture. One of the key things to remember when treating ringworm is to keep the area as dry as possible. Fungi thrive in warm, moist environments, so you want to avoid sweating excessively or keeping the area covered with tight clothing. If the infection is on your feet, athlete's foot, try to wear breathable shoes and moisture-wicking socks. If it's on your body, opt for loose clothing. Letting the area breathe can speed up the healing process. If you're looking for a more natural remedy, tea tree oil is a popular option. Some studies, like one published by the Australasian Journal of Dermatology, have found that tea tree oil has antifungal properties. It might not be as fast as traditional creams, but it can be an excellent alternative. To use it, just dip a cotton ball in diluted tea tree oil, mix it with a bit of water, and apply it to the affected area once or twice a day. Just remember, test it on a small patch of skin first to make sure you're not allergic. Continue treatment for at least 1 to 2 weeks. It's really important to stick with the treatment for at least 1 to 2 weeks, even if the ringworm looks like it's gone. Why? Because fungi can be persistent, and stopping treatment too soon could cause it to come back. So, make sure you're following the application instructions carefully. In more stubborn cases, it might take a little longer. Prevent it from spreading. Since ringworm is contagious, you want to make sure you're not spreading it to others or yourself. Here are some simple tips. Wash your hands thoroughly after touching the infected area. Use a fresh towel each time you dry off. Avoid sharing personal items like clothes, towels, or combs. If you have pets, keep an eye on them. Animals can carry the fungus too. Know when to see a doctor. If the infection doesn't seem to improve after 2 weeks of treatment, or if it spreads to other areas, it's time to consult a doctor. They might prescribe a stronger antifungal cream or even oral medication if necessary. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, severe or stubborn cases may require medical intervention. So, that's it. With some patience and consistency, you should be able to get rid of ringworm and prevent it from coming back. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might be dealing with the same issue, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on taking care of your skin and overall health. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.